Kahaya 41-inch acoustic guitar bag, 0.35-inch thick padding water-resistant dual adjustable shoulder strap guitar case, gig bag with back hanger loop, black CY0152. If you are looking for the best acoustic guitar bag to use, then look no further. Kahaya 41-inch acoustic guitar bag is available for you to purchase on Amazon. They only cost $29.99. There's a loop handle on the back of the guitar bag, which can be hung on the wall when not in use. Keep your guitar bag clean and save space. 43.5 by 4.7 by 17.7 inch, compatible with 39, 40, and 41-inch guitars. It is made of 600D durable Oxford cloth exterior, so you don't have to worry about light rain. 0.35-inch padded guitar gig bag, easy to carry and avoid damage caused by bumps during transport. It has dual adjustable shoulder straps plus 2 handles for convenience. It can be carried as a backpack using the shoulder straps to reduce the stress of the guitar, or take it directly in your hand with the side handle. This guitar gig bag features a 2-way metal zipper for easy opening and closing of the guitar case. Shockproof bottom provides greater protection. It has 2 exterior pouches, one on the front body and one on the neck. The pouches can fit sheet music, documents, music books, accessories such as pedals, adapters, cables, tuners, and etc.